Let's install your new Latch.it RV door lock. Remove the 2 battery cover screws on the back of the lock. Push the battery compartment lid back towards the handle and remove. Install the provided AA batteries. Reinstall the battery compartment lid. Then reinstall the 2 battery cover screws to secure the compartment lid. Remove your existing door handle by removing the screws from the back of the handle. Then remove the screws from the strike plate on the side of your door. Finally, remove the strike plate and front and back portions of your existing handle. Clean the cutout as necessary. Remove all 4 screws from the lock back to separate the front and back pieces. Slide the front face of your new lock into the cutout while carefully pulling the wires ahead of the lock. Hold the front face in place while attaching the new strike plate with the 2 shorter screws. Align the front and back wire harnesses and click together. You will hear a confirmation beep. Align and attach the back face, being sure to not pinch any wires by tucking them away. Reinstall the 4 long screws. Only tighten the screws enough to keep the lock secure against the door. Align, center, and level the lock, then fully tighten. Remember not to over-tighten. Now it's time to test your new lock by entering the default keypad code 1234 and then pressing the lock button. How easy was that? Enjoy your new Latch.it lock!